This is Ben. He's taking advantage of the first day of spring for a bike ride.
Oh man, what happened? It seems to be broken. I guess I need to take it to the bike shop. Hi there, I think I broke something during my last ride. Can you take a look at it?
Sure, let me see. It seems like your derailleur hanger broke. No worries, I stocked this part. I can install it for you and tune the gear system.
Thanks!
Bike is good to go, and here's a spare part to keep with you if you encounter the same issue again. It's very easy to install. Let me teach you how it's done.
Don't let a small derailleur hanger get in the way of your ride. Take a spare one with you and remember to tune your gear system after installation. We recommend taking your bike to a local bike shop mechanic if possible. For instructional videos, please visit pilo.co.il/video. Our parts are distributed worldwide. Contact us for details.